Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 36. MUL, which means water in Korean. Again, our word for today is MUL, and it means water. How do you write MUL in Hangul? You just have to write 3 characters. First is mium, followed by an U character, followed by a real character. And with that, you've just learned MUL. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 26 to 35. But don't forget our word for today, word number 36, it's MUL, which means water. The first word for our review is word number 35, it's toyeyo, which means this is me or it is me. Word number 34 is saram, which means person. Word number 33 is 죄송합니다, which means I'm sorry or excuse me. Word number 32 is 가방, which means bag. Word number 31 is 잘 부탁드립니다, which means please take care of me, and this is more likely used on a work setting or corporate setups. Word number 30 is 또 보자, which means see you again. Word number 29 is 이따 봐, which means see you later. Word number 28 is 그냥, which is used to say just because. Word number 27 is 빨리, which means quickly or fast. And the last word for our review is 잠깐만, which means just a second or just for a while. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.